In this tip, we want to tell you about why MCR, machine-centered robotics, is a really good choice when you produce series machines.
We innovate, we elevate, we are automate.
Typically, when you produce a machine that includes a robot, you need to load the robot software and the PLC software, and you need to have some sort of interface between so it can communicate. Is that the same way with MCR?
No, the robot kinematics is in the PLC, so your whole life gets much easier because it's the exact same software.
Okay, so we can support this one point of download, a USB stick, and then you get everything.
Yeah. In your production site, while you load the software with USB or you use Automation Studio, you use networking for loading the software, the PLC software, the robot software comes automatically with the PLC software, so you don't have to think about this.
Mads, where's the teach pendant? Because I want to move this robot, it's in the way.
Yeah, that's a good thing about MCR is that you don't need a teach pendant. Of course, you can use one if you like it, but you don't have to. You can just integrate the robot movements, the calibration onto the HMI screen that you already have on your machine, so you don't need this additional screen that's hanging around on the machine, and it's a little bit annoying to have.
Yeah, it's a bit cleaner look to avoid it. Yeah.
Exactly. And of course, another benefit is also that you have fewer systems to maintain.
Yeah.
Because it's one PLC system controlling everything, so you don't need to update various systems on the machine. It's just one package for everything.
And for me, it sounds a bit cheaper than you can avoid all these boxes and systems.
Exactly.